Hey guys, so today we're going to take you into a Walmart here in Mexico City, and we're going to try to show you the prices of a lot of like commonly bought items. And we're going to try to show you like similar brands to what you would find in the States, in America. You can probably get most of these items much cheaper if you go with like a local brand, but we want to show you something that's like an equivalent, but know that you can slash off another, you know, maybe 15% off these prices if you buy like a local Mexican brand.
Peaches, 36 pesos per kilogram. Golden apple, 37 pesos per kilogram. Bananas, 18 pesos per kilogram. Avocados, 56 pesos per kilo. 4-pack of yogurt, $4.70. 30 pesos, 2 liter. Cheetos, 2 for 64 pesos. 6-pack of Corona, 86 pesos. Stella Artois, 6-pack, 109 pesos. 12-pack of Coca-Cola, 162 pesos. Tin foil, 33 pesos. 12-pack of toilet paper, 70 pesos. Laundry detergent, this is 4.5 liters and it takes 56 loads, and this is 149 pesos. Head and Shoulders, shampoo and conditioner, 85 pesos. L'Oreal hair dye, 59 pesos. 2-pack of Crest toothpaste for 37 pesos. Claritin, 155 pesos for 10 tablets. Claritin D, 355 pesos. 12 gel tabs of Advil, 39 pesos. 60 diapers from Huggies, 299 pesos. 80 pesos Dove shampoo, 750 milliliters.
150cc Motorbike, no idea the brand, 2,000 pesos, 19,990. I'll cut you a good deal though.
Jif peanut butter, 70 pesos. Loaf of Wonder Bread, 40 pesos. 8 Mrs. Fields cookies, 75 pesos. Pop-Tarts, 39 pesos. Big box of cornflakes, 70 pesos. Box of Ritz crackers, 20 pesos. Cranberry juice, 21 pesos. Sunny D, 45 pesos. Oatmeal, 36 pesos. A dozen eggs, 19 pesos. Philadelphia cream cheese, 30 pesos. Oreos, 25 pesos.
Okay, so that was crazy. That's the first time I've ever seen every check stand in a store open at once. It was pretty insane. And it's Monday, it's not even a weekend, and Walmart was super busy. I hope that helped.
Yeah, it was the middle of the day on Monday, so I wouldn't think it would be busy, but I was wrong. So it's also really interesting. Walmarts have a food court inside, so there was a Kentucky Fried Chicken, I think a Krispy Kreme, and a McDonald's. And
there was also a place you can get fresh tortillas. I forgot what it was called, tortilleria, but I think that's what it was called. But I hope that helped. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and I will see you next time. It feels like everywhere we go here, we're finding just incredible buildings and incredible details on everything. The
level of detail here is just incredible.